What's up, everybody? I'm just here in my car opening up some figures, and these are the Sonic figures that I got a while back, and I just want to open it right in front of you guys. And I just got so far, I just got done opening up Eggman. You see right here, here's the back. Yeah, just a quick opening up. Not gonna do no review or anything like that. Right now I'm opening up Tails. I just got done with Eggman. These figures, the way how it's packaged, it's pretty tricky to get them out without trying not to break it. Come on, Tails, don't let me down. So I initially don't collect these gaming figures, Sonic figures, Super Mario, whatever. But I am a big fan of Sonic, and I just seen the Sonic movie, and I'm looking forward to the second part 2. Hopefully after COVID is over. Hopefully we get a Sonic 2 movie. The first one was pretty good, I say. Come on, Tails. Break you out of this plastic prison. Oh. Sorry for all that noise of crumpling plastic. But here's Tails. Looking pretty awesome. Tails was actually the last figure I got. I'm only getting 3. I got Eggman, Tails, which was the last one, and Sonic, of course. Sonic was the first character I got, which I will open up right about now. But let me just put Tails right here on my dash. Tails is a bit, and I'm actually quite surprised these figures have some sort of articulation. Not a whole lot, but have some. I'm trying to get Tails to stand. It's gonna be pretty hard because he's back heavy with that tail. Just leave him like that. Now let's all get to Sonic. So that's Tails right there. Trying to do this as quick as I can. Just a quick unboxing of these figures, because although these figures look good in the box, for example Sonic, you can see that whole background. It's the shape of a ring. For those of you that play Sonic, you know what I'm talking about. That's pretty much, what Sonic needs to stay alive, is those coins. Without any coins, he's pretty much dead. In the video game, that is. But going back to the movie, I fell in love with the video game, and I was a big fan of the Sega Genesis. That was during my time, 1991, I believe, and that's when the game came out. And now, 2020, we get finally a Sonic live-action movie. We had the cartoon series, and I watched that a little bit, but kind of fell off of it. Simply because, not that it was a bad show, but simply because there was other shows that I like more. I feel I got into more. For example, the X-Men, Mega Man, Inspector Gadget. Yep. A lot of great cartoons during the early 90s. Even Super Mario made a cartoon, believe it or not. But yeah, here's Sonic. I just took out his accessory. It's a skateboard. I don't know why he has a skateboard. I don't remember playing him on a skateboard. Maybe on the newer Sonic games he has a skateboard. I'm trying to think, perhaps in the, because he did have a game with Super Mario. It was sort of like a crossover. I never got a chance to play it, but I'm pretty sure it was some sort of like a X Games type of game where they compete each other. Come on, Sonic. get off that plastic prison. Oh man, these I gotta admit, Jakks, you know, the way how they mold these characters in plastic is pretty impressive, and surprisingly they have some articulation. Oh shit! I just popped Sonic's leg. I mean his foot. Man, these fucking figures are. I hope it's not broken. Please don't break. I'm gonna be so pissed. His shoe came off. Hopefully I can put it back. Oh yes, it clicks right back in. So yeah, there's Sonic. Very iconic character in the world of media. That's pretty reason why I got Sonic, because you know I grew up with this guy. He's like my childhood video game. Also Super Mario 2, of course. But yeah, that's another topic for another time. But right now we're focusing on Sonic characters. So far I got only 3, and I'm gonna stop right there. I thought about getting Knuckles, and that's the only character that I'm familiar with a little bit. Because, you know, Knuckles came out around, you know, early 90s, Sonic and Knuckles video game. But I mean, these 3 figures is good enough so far. Let's take a look at it. Oh, give me one moment, I'll be right back.